points along this line. What you get is actually basically you always will get the ideal line. And there's always a linear regression, that's basically the idea. But the next point could be that you're doing something like this. And those are your deviations of what you've been doing. Inaccuracies that you are doing, a little bit of inaccuracy in the equipment, that kind of stuff. But the whole thing is that if we draw a line through those points, then that should be less than 1.5. That's the whole idea behind it. 0.7 actually is a very good value. But 1.5, if you go above 1.5, and so 1.5 and higher, means that you have to redo the calibration because something went wrong during that calibration. And then, of course, you can over here you can press enter to keep the data. On the select a value. That's good enough. Okay, F2, and you see over here that this one is selected. And it will stay grey as long as the motion has not finished. And that's the whole thing. So basically if he presses the motion enable bar now, then he has to keep it pressed until it changes color over here.
Yes,
see?
you have still instant fill white.